Forward now. Joining in. All set now. Ready to race number 7. 2013 Summer Racing Festival. Here, Santa Ana Park. And the race is on. King Ramfire from the outside, rushing up by the rails watershed. Arranque, Extraordinary Taxi. Then on the inside is Hat Yes Pogi. It's now Watershed by Hapaland, followed by King Ramfire in second. Arranque is racing third by about 4 lengths alongside is Yes Pogi's Taxi. On the further outside is Extraordinary Hat is running by the rail. And a long way back to Don Guro. And rounding the far turn, it's now King Ramfire Watershed fighting for the lead. And racing third by about 4 lengths. Yes, Pogi's Taxi. And at the far turn, King Ramfire, this time by Hapaland. Yen Watershed and on the inside as they race the final corner. King Ramfire by about 2 lengths. Watershed. Taxi, yes, Pogi is running by the rail with the last 250 meters more to run. King Ramfire by about 2 lengths for Knives Taxi, and nearing the finish line, King Ramfire is Taxi, and nearing the finish line, R.G. Fernandez shove his horse into the finish line. Second, Taxi, yes, Pogi, Watershed, Hot